Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy YEEZY Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we are looking at the YEEZY 350 V2 in the Earth colorway. This sneaker is set to release sometime in spring. But yeah, before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at YEEZY_Kicks23. It's your boy YEEZY Kicks. Let's get it.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm here.
In 2020, Adidas Originals and Kanye West will be releasing several new color options of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2, which will include the Earth colorway. This offering of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 features earth toned with a tonal brown Primeknit upper atop a full-length Boost midsole. Other details include a brown colored sock liner atop a yellow and gum rubber outsole. Look for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Earth to release sometime in early 2020 at select retailers and Adidas Yeezy Supply. The retail price tag is set at $220 as usual. I just gotta say, this is the best Yeezy that has dropped in a while. I've been talking about how we need more colorways of the Yeezys. Still not the most vibrant sneaker, you know, brown isn't that vibrant, but this is a solid color. Now, not only is the colorway absolutely fire on this shoe, but they're bringing back the heel tab. A lot of people were complaining about these recent Yeezys not having the heel tab. And I just gotta say, the heel tab is one of my favorite parts of the Yeezy. For some reason, it just looks 1,000 times better with the heel tab. I feel like they should have never taken it off, because it legit almost makes the shoe look like a fake. So it's cool that they are finally bringing that back, and apparently they're going to be bringing it back to more colorways in the future. Hopefully it's on all the colorways and we don't have to worry about it. There is not a set release date yet, but I do see this shoe coming out sometime March, early spring. Yeah, I'm really hoping the sooner the better, because I just want this shoe. I think it is a great springtime shoe. You know, it is brown, so it has a bit of a fall vibe to it. But like I said, the brown is like very solid. It's still a solid color. And when it comes to spring and summer, you know, wearing solid colors is where it's at. Now, looking at the sneaker, like I said, you got that full Primeknit brown upper. The laces are also brown. I can't tell off these pictures if they're gonna have any reflective in the laces, but I think this shoe would look dope with some black laces. It would go with that black lining very nicely. I just love the different tones of brown colliding with each other, because on the midsole you got a different tone of brown than you do on the upper, and I think they complement each other really nicely. You kind of have this yellow greenish tone on the outsole, so you can see that in the front and the rear section. Now obviously the release is quite a ways away, you know, so this video is mainly just to see what you guys think about the sneaker. If you guys are as hyped as I am, I definitely think the resale is gonna come back with this sneaker. Lately Yeezys just haven't been doing that well. Now this is a different color, you know, very loud color, something we haven't seen before. And the heel tab's finally coming back. All the Yeezys with heel tabs have done way better than the ones without. So I definitely think resale is finally gonna be coming back with this shoe. I know it's very early and we don't have much information on this shoe, but I do think this shoe is gonna be like the comeback for Yeezy. Now you also got a black colorway of the Yeezys that's coming out later in the year, probably around summer, and that shoe is fire. Like, we've seen plenty of black shoes, but you know, those are two Yeezys that are already getting hyped up quite a bit. And so with that hype, I think the resale is gonna go up. Let me know what you guys think, if you agree. Are you excited for the shoe? Will you cop if you get the chance? Now, make sure you guys look in the description, because I will just update this video where you guys can buy the shoe, the release date. I'm not sure if I'll make another video once I get more information. Honestly, I'll probably just keep this video, and you can check down below in the description, get all the information where you can cop. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at YEEZY_Kicks23, as well as TikTok at YEEZYKicks23. I make a lot of fun, just sneakerhead, hypebeast related type content. So if you like that stuff, very energetic, go check it out. Again, it's your boy YEEZY Kicks. We out.